Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change Gmail account profile picture or how you can change the profile picture of your Gmail account. So without further delay, let's get into this. First of all, go on your Gmail account. Here I am on my Gmail account. I am going to change the profile picture of this Gmail account. Here it is. Okay, it's showing B here on this. So to change this profile picture of this Gmail account, click on manage your Google account. Then it will redirect you to this page that looks like this. Okay, and click on, after you go on this page, click on profile info. Here it is. Here is your profile info. And click on this camera icon here. Set profile photo. Choose photo. Gallery. Album. This is the apple I want to make the profile picture. You see? It's loading. This is how you do it. Don't I? Here it is. You change it. Don't you agree? You have changed it. Thank you. If you like this video, like, comment and subscribe.